How to fix LinkedIn login problem. If you're not being able to log into the LinkedIn account, there might be various reasons behind it. First, try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi. Try logging into your account and your problem should be fixed. If not, check the credentials. Make sure the credentials that you entered are correct. If not, go ahead and recover them. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of LinkedIn. Open the app library of your device. Long press on the LinkedIn application. Tap on this option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache that you can see on the screen. Go back, open the LinkedIn application and try logging in. Your problem should be fixed. If not, what you can do is simply try updating the app. Open the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Type in LinkedIn. Search for it. Find the application for LinkedIn and tap on it. Tap on the option Update that you can see on the screen. Once the application is updated, the bugs of the app should be fixed and you should be able to log in to your account. If you're still not being able to log into your account, there might be some temporary software glitches in the device itself. In that case, restart your device. Long press on the power button. Tap on the option Restart in order to restart your device. After you do that, the device will be restarted. Open the LinkedIn application and log in to your account. You'll successfully be logged into the LinkedIn account. Like this, you can fix LinkedIn login problem. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.